Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS virtual camera not working. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and type Camera Privacy Settings. Once it appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open your camera privacy settings. Once you're in the settings window, look for the option that says Apps to access your camera and make sure this toggle is switched on. This setting controls whether applications on your system are allowed to use your camera at all, so it's essential for OBS virtual camera to function properly. Next, scroll down until you find the option that says Allow desktop apps to access your camera. Make sure this toggle is also switched on. This specific permission is crucial because OBS is a desktop application, and without this enabled, the virtual camera feature won't be able to access your system's camera permissions. Now let's make sure your OBS is running the latest version. In the upper left corner of OBS, click on Help, then select Check for Updates from the drop-down menu. This will verify whether you're running the most current version of the software. A new window will pop up on your screen. Click the Update Now button to begin downloading and installing the latest version. After clicking, you'll need to wait a few minutes while OBS downloads and applies the updates. This process is important because many virtual camera issues are resolved in newer versions of the software. Once the update is complete, go ahead and close the OBS app entirely. Now right-click on the OBS app icon and select Run as Administrator. Running OBS with administrator privileges can resolve permission issues that might be preventing the virtual camera from working correctly. After OBS opens with administrator rights, look at the right panel and click the Start Virtual Camera button to see if it works now. This should activate the virtual camera feature and make it available for use in other applications. If the virtual camera still doesn't work at this point, don't worry, we'll recreate it from scratch. Navigate to the Scenes section and click the plus icon. Enter a name for your new scene, something like Virtual Camera, then click OK to create it. Now in the bottom left corner, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon. From the list that appears, select Display Capture, then click OK to proceed. This creates a new source that captures your entire screen display. Look for the display option, and right beside it you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select your preferred display from the available options in the list. Then click OK to confirm your selection. This ensures that the virtual camera is capturing the correct screen. In the right panel, click Start Virtual Camera one more time to test if the issue is resolved. By recreating the scene and source, you've essentially reset the virtual camera configuration, which often fixes underlying issues. If the virtual camera still doesn't work after all these steps, your best option is to completely reinstall the OBS app. Sometimes configuration files become corrupted, and a fresh installation is the only way to resolve the problem. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.